Hi, welcome to Meru Accounting. How are you doing today? So this is video which I have specifically made for our UK-based clients in order to explain them how we service clients based out in United Kingdom. So I'll give a brief introduction about ourselves and what we do, and then I'll take you towards how we provide services to the clients. So we are in business since last 7 years. We have serviced more than 700 clients, and we have been working on hundreds of UK-based clients and have been doing bookkeeping for them. In terms of our services we offer, we do bookkeeping services, payroll management, receivables management, setting up of your books of accounts on an accounting software of your choice, ensure that we do VAT calculations correctly, and then ensure that those are submitted in time to the HMRC. Apart from that, we also help on budgeting, forecasting, cleanup work, setting up standard operating procedures, systems, and a lot more. So here are some of the softwares we have been working on. Xero and QuickBooks are widely accepted in United Kingdom, and we are working well with both of them. We are silver partners with Xero and we are elite partners with QuickBooks. Along with QuickBooks and Xero, we use various cloud add-ons to ensure that you can have required reports and which functionality which Xero and QuickBooks won't have. Say for example, we can use HubDoc, Receipt Bank, Auto Entry to help on your receipts. We can also integrate Shopify with your QuickBooks or Xero accounting software. Along with that, we can also use some reporting softwares for you in order to ensure that you can have an excellent report for your organization. Coming to UK VAT, if your business which has a turnover more than £85,000, you have to register for VAT and you have to pay VAT on a timely basis. There's also reverse charge which is to be accounted for transactions with European countries. Will help you on those compliances and ensure that they are taken care of in a timely manner. Making tax digital, we have been using various softwares like QuickBooks, Xero in order to ensure that VAT compliances are taken care correctly, and you can prepare once you can file your tax returns digitally with a click using Xero and QuickBooks. We'll prepare all the data for you and ensure that everything is done in a fast manner. So how we service you? We have a client success team, and in that there will be one senior accounts officer who would be knowing everything about UK VAT, UK GAAP on how to do bookkeeping for UK-based business, and then we'll make up processes for you. We'll ensure that all the processes are clearly followed. There is a clear checklist on how the bookkeeping needs to be done, and then there would be a reviewer to ensure that everything we discussed has been reviewed and ensure that the accounts are prepared in error-free manner. And third, you'd also have a project coordinator who will ensure that you get a delightful experience working with us. We have been servicing various industries. I'm sure we would also have serviced your industry, and because we have been working on a lot of clients. So here is a work methodology on how we do bookkeeping. So first we'll understand your business, we'll understand your bookkeeping requirements, how bookkeeping needs to be done. We'll set up all the tasks in regarding task management software, and once information is received, once we receive the documents, we'll also process those through HubDoc or text that ensures that you have taken a correct VAT credit of all your VAT payments. We'll then help you prepare your VAT returns and ensure that it's done in a correct manner, and then we can also help you submit that to HMRC. Once that's done, we can also prepare final accounts and we can submit that to HMRC. We use in-house task management software to ensure that all the tasks are done in a timely manner and none of them are missed out. So why choose us? What are the benefits of working with us? So you can get a great affordability. We'll have minimum overhead cost and quality, productivity, and there are a lot more things which you come to when you experience when you come to us. So here's a typical client checklist which we have prepared to ensure that we receive the information correctly from you. Here are the chart of accounts. Here is a simple management report which we prepared. We ensure we prepare a ton of reports for you to help you decide where your business is going, how it's growing. We'll also help you on profit first implementation if you want, and we are happy to help you. So data security, we take data very seriously, and we ensure that there are no data leakages with our non-disclosure agreements, user level accesses, and two-factor authentication, and various other things. So here's a summary on why you should choose it. Number one, we are experts in working with UK-based customers. software expertise as well as expertise of laws. We have good experience, our prices are reasonable, we provide an excellent services to you, and lastly, we have a great infrastructure to ensure that you get a delightful work experience. So here are some of our client testimonials. So yeah, let's talk and let's see how we can provide a great service to you. What are your requirements? Once you come to us, we'll also prepare a best practices methodology to which would be a standard document which would explain you what are the industry best practices for your particular industry and your business and how that should be followed. Yeah, we are easy to reach and fast. You can call us or you can email us and we are there. Yeah, thank you for your time today and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. Have a nice day.